First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking myself into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked to me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, take up a message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. All the hate that you first turned your spirit to undouble. Ooh, your spirit up above. Ooh. I was joking in the crowd, living my brain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground. Open my feelings, they would drown, but they never did, ever lived, ever lived, going inhibited, limited till it broke open and rained down. It rained down like. By the grace of the fire and the flame, you're the face of the future, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh. But they never did, ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited till they broke open and rained down like.